So new shocks is the project today because in the next video, in this box is my Gobi roof rack. So that adds some weight, and the shocks I got on this thing right now are pretty generic. So these are the Rancho RS 5000X shocks that are going on this Jeep here, and it should be a nice upgrade to make the ride a little better, especially for the extra added weight on that rack. Here's the old shocks. As Mighty Car Mod says, step one, jack up your car. Out with the old. Alright, let's take a look at the difference between these shocks. You can tell the Rancho is quite a bit beefier. See this? Side by side comparison? These are pretty generic shocks that are not vehicle specific besides the mounts. They're just very generic shocks, cheap shocks. Now these, they weren't expensive either, about 230 bucks for the set of 4, but they are more vehicle specific, more off-road oriented. These are a very popular shock. Also, if I can do that pretty easily with this shock, and then, you know, it still does the shock thing, comes back out and all that. So these ones are quite a bit harder to push down. Got both the back shocks done. Now the fronts. I think fronts should be even easier. The backs are kind of hard to get to the bolts, but these are right here and right there on top. 3 of them, so should be pretty easy. There's a nut on the bottom, so that makes it easier. There it is. Pretty good rebound. I mean, they're pretty light though, but new ones anyway. Gotta jack this up to get the holes lined up, and then it's done for this side. Alright, fronts are actually easier because you can actually get to all the bolts easily. Got that done. Gotta put the wheel back on, and then go to the next side. Here's the old shocks. Oh yeah, that's a big difference.